Customizing HP 930-935 Creator Wireless Mouse with HP Accessory Center in Windows. With the HP 930 and 935 Creator Wireless Mice, you can program the 7 buttons in your Creator software and applications for customized shortcuts in your creative work. On the underside of the mouse, switch the slider to the On position. On your computer, click the Start icon and search for and launch the HP Accessory Center. Go to Add New Device and click HP 930 or 935 Creator Wireless Mouse to connect your device. In the HP Accessory Center, you can assign buttons, control mouse sensitivity, and manage connections. To set the sensitivity of your HP 930 or 935 Creator Wireless Mouse, click on Sensitivity. Move the slider to the left or right to decrease or increase the sensitivity to your preference. The higher the DPI, the faster the mouse cursor will move on the screen. To reassign buttons, click on Button Assignment. The HP 930 or 935 Creator Wireless Mouse has 7 programmable buttons: right-click, middle-click, scroll wheel left, scroll wheel right, and 3 side buttons. For any of the buttons, select a drop-down menu and select the function you would like to assign. To see more functions than listed in the menu, select More. There are more than 100 functions preloaded in the HP Accessory Center for assigning commands for each button for customized shortcuts across applications. Once you have completed assigning the buttons, click Save. To maximize productivity, you can assign the wheel menu to one of the buttons. Click the drop-down menu for the button you'd like to have the wheel menu and select More, then click on Wheel Menu. Type in a name for your wheel menu. The wheel menu can support up to 8 assigned commands. Click on the section of the wheel menu on the left that you would like to assign a command, then click on the application you would like to add a command for in the left column. A list of available commands for that application will populate the right column. Click on the command you want to use, and it will be assigned to the selected portion of the wheel menu. Repeat this process to fill the sections of the wheel menu. Click Save when you are finished. You can enable app-specific settings in the HP Accessory Center for different shortcuts across different applications. Click on the App-Specific Settings drop-down and click More. A grid of available applications will display. Select the application you want to assign. The button assignment screen will now show the new button commands that are specific to the application you selected. You can still click on the drop-down menus for each button to further customize button assignments. The list of applications that are currently compatible for programming buttons through the HP Accessory Center are Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, AutoCAD, SolidWorks, SketchUp, Zoom, Microsoft Office, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Chrome. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.